Step 1. Assemble all rod sections into one complete curtain rod. Step 2. Tighten the finials on both ends. Adhesive installation. Install the bracket on the wall with adhesive. Ceramic tile, metal, wood, glass. Step 3. Position the rod so it extends 2.5 inches past each side of the window. Step 4. Mark the bracket positions on both sides of the window. Step 5. Clean the wall surface and keep it dry and dust-free. Step 6. Peel off the adhesive backing. Step 7. Stick the brackets to the wall, press firmly, and let them set for 24 hours for maximum hold. Step 8. Adjust the curtain rod length to fit your window size. Step 9. After 24 hours, hang your curtain rod and curtains as usual.